per you to boss, telegraph is a horse face. I got the horse face. It's a Walmart mainstays pissy shack. I don't even know why I got this. I got from Nigga for $15. Don't ask me why I bought it. I think I bought it because shits and giggles, I guess. By my 750. Always be good to put in the house if ever do out or put somebody else's house if they move out or something like that. So, yeah. It gives piece of shit OD, it's so fucking yellow. It's weird, I like it though, it's like a texture. Just the only cool thing about it, motherfucker. So, how cheap these feel. I don't want to spend too much time on this thing. It's just a lot. It gets a fact. Moves way too fast on it. There's an air from making my life was from blowing air only because it's fast. Man's fast but not my system. Man, you don't feel much. You know, it's something not but much, which is expected, but making noise too. I'm about to go meme already. I was not on the home. That's pretty good. I was not gonna spend all day on a horn, you know? You feel me? I mean, I guess it's not really bad to put and kiss someone and go sweet shit, but since the world is if they got hit, won't be in the world. Cause it's, I don't know. Alright. Trip all this shit, this room, it's a fucking disaster. It makes a weird whistling noise on high. Doesn't go away either, it's not starting. I'm gonna what? If for me, I for a time with my legs, that's it. What was me 10 being hot? I get this one wrong. It was just from that great, and it's one to listen to. Turn it off when it's spinning the fuck down. I don't know how long it's been on this. I waited just unboxed the motherfucker. I unboxed it, now installed it, and now I'm making this video. Bitch going right back in its box. I just don't want it to not go on display anywhere. Sound bored, some fucking my favorite fans, you know what I mean? First to stop. told me to clean brush your fans on here from all the dust from the work we've been doing. Turn the light off for a second. Come on, guy. Expect the right videos to come out. Actually, 2 more fans to test. Or is it 3? No, it's 2. That one and that one. Yeah. I'm not telling you which one. One's quick on that one's really good as a shot as fuck. But one to come out probably a week or a couple weeks and that's all it takes to get it shut up. Alright, fuck. Ow, you. Yeah. Don't ever fucking hurt me. There. As well. Ma'am. High speed. That's actually in the doorway. Yeah. Go in the doorway. This way. Let's put that. Facial. Ha. I ain't go back to the watch on for this. On the eating, so yeah. Alright. I'm gonna wait you this phone, but just take a text and grab. Just got the fuck yous. First switch, and it's got that sticker there. I don't know why they put them beside that. You know how retarded this room looks? With all these fucking stickers on the side of it. Like it does. It's piece of more Chinese blade brackets. Blades are like kind of yellow. Open the top. I'm gonna go try to go in the store and get stickers. So, yep. Alright, here's a quick look at the box. There's the box. Outside the box. Got this at Goodwill. So this is like the top part. It says get the outside. So it's on you get the side. So that's really it. I didn't see instruction going here either, I'm not thinking about it. But that's fine. These blades are being a bitch to get back, to put on. Because they fucked the screw hose up from the factory. So, oh hell no, we don't want the light. Fuck me. It's so weak I put on me. Alright, folks, let's go and peace out. Pussies.